Imagine looking in the mirror 10 years from now. The gray hairs have started to appear, the wrinkles are deeper, but the heaviest weight isn't aging. It's realizing you're exactly where you were a decade ago. Same excuses, same regrets, same wasted potential. Nobody plans to ruin their life. It doesn't happen in one dramatic moment. It happens through tiny decisions repeated every day. Right now, you're either building your future or quietly destroying it. If you've been drifting, it's time to wake up. We've all been taught a dangerous lie. That action requires motivation. You wait for the perfect mood to start that business, study, or work out. You tell yourself, I'll do it when I feel like it. But psychology shows the opposite. Motivation follows action. When you wait for inspiration, your brain chooses comfort because it's designed to conserve energy. The longer you delay, the harder the task feels. Your brain begins linking it with anxiety instead of progress. The solution is simple. The do something principle. Write one sentence. Put on your running shoes. Open the project. Small actions create momentum, and momentum creates motivation. Then comes another trap. The moment you feel bored, your hand reaches for your phone. One notification becomes an hour of scrolling. This isn't harmless entertainment. Every swipe delivers tiny bursts of dopamine, giving your brain the feeling of reward without real achievement. Over time, your attention span weakens. Deep work, meaningful conversations, and creative thinking start feeling exhausting because your brain craves constant stimulation. The fix is dopamine-free zones. Keep your phone away for the first hour of your day. Let your mind adjust to a calmer level of stimulation so you can focus on what actually matters. When your attention disappears, life quietly slips into autopilot. You wake up, check notifications, rush through work, come home, watch videos, sleep, and repeat. You're alive, but you're not really living. Psychologists call this habitual drifting. Your brain loves predictable routines because they save energy. Left unchecked, it will repeat the same script for years. That's what makes autopilot dangerous. There's no crisis to warn you. You simply wake up one day wondering where the time went. The solution is an intent audit. Every morning, write your 3 most important priorities and notice where your hours actually go. Awareness breaks the cycle. Autopilot also makes you avoid difficult things. You see the hard task, the uncomfortable email, the important project, the difficult conversation, and immediately postpone it. This is creative procrastination. Instead of doing meaningful work, you stay busy with easy tasks that feel productive but change nothing. The longer you delay, the heavier the task becomes. Even during your free time, it sits quietly in the back of your mind. The solution is eat the frog. Finish your hardest, highest impact task before noon. Once it's done, everything else feels lighter. Eventually, these repeated choices create something even more dangerous: your identity. Every broken promise to yourself strengthens an inner voice that says, you never finish anything, you're lazy, you can't change. Your brain treats those thoughts as evidence. It begins acting in ways that confirm them, trapping you in a cycle of self-doubt. The solution is cognitive reframing. Stop speaking to yourself like an enemy. Talk to yourself like someone you're responsible for helping. Replace harsh judgments with facts. Then take one small action to prove them wrong. Your habits aren't just actions. They're votes for the person you're becoming. Every time you scroll instead of creating, delay instead of acting, or wait instead of starting, you reinforce a weaker version of yourself. The clock is already ticking. The life you'll have tomorrow is being shaped by the choices you make today. Lasting change doesn't come from one massive decision. It comes from winning the small, invisible battles inside your mind every single day. Fix these habits before it's too late. If you're ready to stop drifting and start building a life you're proud of, hit subscribe. Let's build it together.